So this is a pretty fun gift for a dog lover, and it's essentially either a tissue dispenser if you set it down on a table like this, or it can go on the wall, and then it can cover or become a tissue dispenser. So when you get a roll of tissues like this one, you can take the back off, set them in there, feed them through. And now you've got an endless supply of tissues. You can also run these through the center of the roll. Some people pull them through the center, and then they feed a little easier through this dispenser. But a lot of people put this on the wall also and have it in the bathroom as a novelty. Like I said, it's got screw holes, and it's got an opening here if you're going to hang it over an existing hanger. So that's the kind of fun dog butt tissue dispenser. Might make a great gift for someone. Hope this helps.